Welcome to one more useful and interesting video. This video is helpful for many students. If you are watching this video, please watch this video till the end. In this video, I am going to talk about Sitaram Jindal Scholarship online application eligibility and last date. First of all, talking about the program. Sitaram Jindal Foundation provides scholarship every year to the meritorious and economically weak students all over India. This scholarship is known as Sitaram Jindal Scholarship. You can apply online as well as offline for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship Scheme. This year fresh application for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship started already. Students can apply for this scholarship by downloading the application form. Students from all over India can apply for this scholarship. Indian school, college and university students can apply for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship. Sitaram Jindal Scholarship Information Chart. Scholarship name Sitaram Jindal Scholarship. Providing authority Sitaram Jindal Foundation. Eligible courses HS, ITI, UG courses, PG courses, Diploma, Engineering, Medical. Application method offline and online both are available. Application start any time of current season. Date is not fixed. Usually it start at the admission time. Annual family income maximum rupees 4 lakh per year. Last date for apply, no last date for apply. Official website sitaramjindalfoundation.org. Talking about the eligibility criteria for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship. For apply Sitaram Jindal Scholarship Scheme, the foundation divided the eligibility criteria into 5 categories. Category A. The student of class 11th and 12th are eligible for this scholarship. The minimum percentage required for boys students is 65%, but 75% for Karnataka and West Bengal students, and 60% marks for girl students, but 70% for Karnataka and West Bengal students. Category B. Students who are currently studying ITI courses are eligible for this scholarship. There are no any income certificate required for these students. The minimum percentage required in the last exam is 50% for boys and 40% for girls. Category C. Candidates who are currently pursuing any graduate or postgraduate degree from any recognized university are eligible for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship. The minimum percentage required for boys students is 65%, but 75% for Karnataka and West Bengal students, and 60% marks for girl students, but 70% for Karnataka and West Bengal students. Category D. The students who are taking admission diploma in electronics, electrical, mechanical, environment scientist or journalism, etc. are eligible to apply for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship. The annual gross family income of the candidate does not exceed 2.5 lakh for applying for this scholarship. The minimum percentage required for boys student is 60%. And 55% marks for girl students. Category E. Candidates who are currently studying in graduate or postgraduate degree in engineering and medical can apply for SJ scholarship under this category. The minimum percentage required for boys student is 70% and 75% for Karnataka and West Bengal students, and 65% marks for girls students, 70% for Karnataka and West Bengal students. Here is a simple note that students who are already receiving any scholarship from state or central government or from any NGO, they are not eligible for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship Scheme. Sitaram Jindal Scholarship Amount. Candidates who will be selected for this Sitaram Jindal Scholarship will receive the amount on their bank account. This scholarship amount will be sent through check to the students. Category A. This category students will receive 500 per month as the scholarship amount. Category B. In this category, selected candidates who are studying in government or any government aided ITI college, then he or she will receive rupees 500 per month, and for private ITI students rupees 700 per month. Category C. General category boys students will receive rupees 600 and girls students will receive rupees 800 per month. Candidates who are physically challenged will receive rupees 800 per month, and widows and unmarried ward of ex-servicemen candidates will receive 1000 per month. Category D. General category boys students will receive rupees 800 and girls students will receive rupees 1000 per month. Candidates who are physically challenged will receive rupees 1000 per month, and widows and unmarried wards of ex-servicemen candidates will receive 1200 per month. Category E. In this category, the selected graduate students will receive rupees 1300 for boys and rupees 1500 for girls per month. Students who are pursuing a postgraduate course under this category will receive rupees 800 for boys and rupees 2000 for girls per month as the scholarship amount. Talking about the application process for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship. First of talking about the online application process. The online application for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship currently unavailable. Students can apply for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship application through online. For apply online, visit the application site ramjindalfoundation.org and then on the sign up link. Then fill the application form correctly and submit your online application for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship. The Sitaram Jindal Scholarship 2020 online application available only for these selected students: Andaman and Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Daman and Diu, Goa, Gujarat, Karnataka, Kerala, Lakshadweep, Maharashtra, Odisha, Punjab, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu. Offline process. For applying Sitaram Jindal Scholarship, students have to download the application form from the official website of Sitaram Jindal Scholarship, www.sitaramjindalfoundation.org, and take print it out. Download the prescribed income certificate from this site also. Fill up the application form correctly, attach a passport size photograph on it, and attach the following documents with the application form: income certificate from BDO, SDO, retired IAS or IPS officer, etc. Photocopy of mark sheet, the last exam passed. Photocopy of BPL card if applicable. Physically challenged certificate if applicable. Certificate regarding annual fees. Declaration about not getting scholarship from any government or any other source. For hostelers, a certificate from the warden or owner of private accommodation. Here is a simple note that many students want to know the Sitaram Jindal Scholarship last date, but there is no any exact last date of application. Candidates can apply for this scholarship at any time during their current course. The candidates are selected for this scholarship on the basis of marks on their previous examination and financial condition as well. If any students already enjoys this scholarship, he or she only have to send the renewal application form for this scholarship. Candidates who are located in the following states of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Chandigarh, Delhi, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Madhya Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal send their application form on this following address. Watch the address on your screen. And for candidates who are located on these following states: Andhra Pradesh, Andaman and Nicobar Island, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Gujarat, Goa, Karnataka, Kerala, Lakshadweep, Maharashtra, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu, Telangana. Send your application form on the Bangalore office. Watch the address on your screen. Now talking about the selection process for Jindal Scholarship 2020. Sitaram Jindal Scholarship Authority will select the eligible candidates for the scholarship as per their academic performance and economical condition. Selected candidates will receive the scholarship amount. The foundation will send the scholarship amount check to the institution of selected candidates. There is no online website or process to check the Sitaram Jindal Scholarship application status. So once you apply, you cannot check your application status. Wait for their confirmation letter when you will be selected. At last, I had covered frequently asked questions. How to apply for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship online? Currently, the online application for Sitaram Jindal Scholarship paused. The only way to apply is offline method. Who can apply for this scholarship scheme? Students doing any of these courses can apply for this scholarship: HS, ITI, UG course, PG course, diploma engineering or medical. How to check Sitaram Jindal scholarship application status? As the complete process is offline, so you cannot check your application status. If you get selected, they will inform you. How to contact Sitaram Jindal Foundation? For scholarship released inquiry, you can email at watch email address on your screen. Then how to submit Sitaram Jindal scholarship application form? Send your Sitaram Jindal scholarship application form through the speed post courier either at Bangalore office or Delhi office as per your state. If you have any doubt, please ask in the comment box. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe this channel.